What is Math Lab? Math Lab is a time built into the school day to receive extra help from a math teacher. It takes place during rock time or during your lunch period, and it's Tuesday through Fridays since Monday is silent reading day. And it is a great place to make up tests or quizzes during the school day, or receive any help on lessons, or get some questions answered.
Who teaches Math Lab? 7th grade Math Lab is taught by Mrs. Lovely out in Trailer B, and 8th grade Math Lab is taught by Mrs. Hornberger in 104.
How do I sign up? You can sign up for Math Lab through a Google form or using this QR code. And your math teacher will post this presentation on their Blackboard site so you can get to it. And the directions to sign up are all through the form. There's also information about Math Lab, and if you need to contact one of the Math Lab teachers, you can do it through there. Remember, there's no Math Lab on Mondays.
When do I sign up? You can sign up in advance at any time up until the night before. If you know you're going to be out of school on a Wednesday, you may choose to sign up for Math Lab that next day when you get back so you can catch up on your lesson before your next class. If you do not sign up on Math Lab the day before, you cannot sign up the day of.
Where do I go? 7th grade Math Lab is in Trailer B, and 8th grade Math Lab is in room 104. Remember, if you're going during your rock time, you go directly to the Math Lab location. You do not need to check in with your rock time teacher first.
If you have any questions, you can ask your math teacher, your counselor, or email one of the Math Lab teachers.
We hope to see you.